Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to borrow books from external libraries. Even if our library doesn't have a book you want, you may be able to borrow it from a library at another university or organization and have delivered to the University of Tsukuba. You must register for email alerts before using this service. Please search for your book on Sane eBooks. Click on your desired title from the search results. On the book details page, scroll down and click on Tulips linker. Click on Loan Request, Private Expense. A request page opens with bibliographic items already filled in. Fill in the remaining required items. Click to go to the confirmation window. Click on Fix the request to confirm. Your request is now complete.